All right, let's get this started. Let's get this started. All right, so basically, we left this one, two, three, all daily highs and tapped all of that. We left this session. Created a fair value gap, drop, right? We didn't necessarily close underneath it. That's necessarily the weekly open gap. We worked through it, right? Worked through it, came back up close, and price right now we're currently trading down. Like maybe we could hit this halfway point of the wick, but I'm just honestly curious. Am I just like, I mean, overall, my bias is um bullish, but if we so happen to close above this line, right, the halfway point of this wick, then I would honestly flip my bias, right, short term, and maybe try to see if we get down into here, possibly. But right now, I just want to sit and wait. Is it's I don't know. I like honestly where we are right now is kind of like kind of like a no man's land right now. In between, in between the fair value gap and the wick. Right. I mean, preferably I would like to buy if you could try to get above this gap because then it'll show to me that the weekly candle is bullish. But right now, for the time being, well, underneath it, so it's showing the weekly candle is bearish. But I just got to see more. I just need, honestly, I need more information from price. Like I said, my long-term bias is bullish, but I'm not completely against looking for shorts if the right opportunity presents itself. Like I said, especially if we close underneath here, then that would really, at least for me, would short like confirm a little bit more. At least showing that it will be willing to, price would be willing to drop a little bit. But like I said, we gotta just see. Maybe the 50-minute fair value gap that we hit to it here, came back, what time is it? Like around 8 o'clock ish, took the low out. Still respecting this fair value gap right here. See the bodies, respected the wick, just still a little bit underneath it. You just let it trade up a little bit. Maybe we're trading back up into the opening gap, the weekly opening gap. Same thing. This is 15-minute fair value gap, 5 minute fair value gap right above it. Trade we come down until we get a nice reaction and trade back into it over time. It was starting to lead this level again. So, now we just wait. We just wait till the 9:30 opening release and see what we get in price. Right. Few more seconds till the 9:30 news release opening. About 30 seconds now. But yeah, it looks like price does want to come into this this weekly opening gap right here. I mean, the only thing I'll say is that price kept the highs intact, and we've been trading down for the whole week. So I don't know if trading down was like, the first stage of price, what I mean, like the manipulation phase or whatever. And then we trade down first, accumulate some sell orders before price, and compare the sell orders with the buy orders. I mean, I could see that as a possibility, but like I said, I need to see more info. I'd be really confident if we could trade above here, honestly. And that's 9:30. So let's see. See and wait. First thing we gotta do is for that first fair value gap. That's the first thing we're gonna have to wait for. You hit the weekly opening gap. Everything is okay. We didn't sync. Nice. The first thing we do, we come up in price. So that's interesting.
Connection lost.
Come up and hit the weekly opening gap. people even first fair value gap this yet. That's the thing on it. There's a fair value gap right here, and there's also 5 minute fair value gap as well. This one as well. Zero price it's stack actually. Or nothing. Nothing just yet. It's sitting at it's above the halfway point of the weekly opening gap. This could potentially be the first one. Potentially. Let's see how we close first. Get a nice strong close. And all right. Pretty nice strong close. Now let's see if we can create a fair value gap.
Order filled.
Let's try it out.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Close above it. Just slightly above the this gap. I mean that above the weekly opening gap.
Order filled. Order canceled.
This is how far that's the one I'm going.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm just basically it. I closed out. I definitely closed out too soon, but it is what it is. It is what it is, man. I definitely 100%. Didn't even come to my. I mean, I don't think it even came to my entry, but if it did, it didn't. It is what it is. I mean, I had a good react. The price pretty well today. Traded for good stock with everything. So it's a nice little one. It's a nice little one today.